Alright, so welcome back again to this video. Previously, we just have talked how you can use this mobile app for your how you can install your mobile app from your Android devices. And on the next videos, furthermore with this one, we will going to talk about naman how you can install that one in a Windows devices. So, let's now discuss how you can have your mobile app be used for your own store, for your own online store. So your customer can order through the app. They're gonna install the Cosmic Club Store app and they can use this app to order in your website. Okay, so first of all, you just need to go to your account, your mobile account, right? Or your Cosmic Club Store account. So in your Cosmic Club Store account, you just need to go to your admin account and then go to setting and then go to offline. So let's refresh this one. Go to setting and then go to offline settings. So in your offline settings, you can press this install Android app here. Okay, so in order for you to install to give it to your customer. So first of all, let's open this one and copy this link here in your browser. Okay, copy that one, and that's the link that you're going to give to your customer. All right, so although we're gonna be doing this in the, or we're gonna add this download app here or install app here in the personal or in the buyer's account here later on, but this time for you to give it to your customer, so click this install Android app and then it's gonna open like this, and then copy the link here. So copy that one so that the customer can install the app in their mobile device. Now, if they have already installed it in their mobile device, what you can do is give them your store details or your particularly your website ID. So as you can see here, I have here a website ID. So give the link of, first you need to give the link of the mobile app. So in offline settings here, this one, then just copy this one here and give it to your clients or your customer, and then give also your website ID. So copy, you can click this one to copy your website ID, and then give it to your customer. So in your customer side, they're gonna install the app like this. And after they have installed, they're gonna need to put or to search they're gonna need to go to your online store by searching it in the shop. So your customer needs to go here in the shop. In the store rather. Again, after they have installed the mobile app, they're gonna need to go to the store and then store here, and then they're gonna search your website by putting here your website ID. So this is the website ID, my website ID. They're gonna put that one and they're gonna search your store here in the mobile app or in the Cosmic Club Store mobile app. So there you have it. I have here the Francis Sari Sari store, which is this one. So to make it clear to you, I would like to change the color and the text, the theme of this mobile app or my account. I want to change this to, instead of Francis Sari Sari store, I wanted to change this to shall we say Manila online shop. Shall we say that one? Okay, to make it to have it a different aspect or different website. And then I wanted to change the theme, the color of this one, so you will notice the difference. So you can see the difference. So I wanted to make it red rather, or maybe violet or purple. Okay, so that's color. So I gonna save that one. And then maybe I could also change the logo here. I want to delete the logo, and I could add another logo. Shall we say let's find a logo here in my download folder. Okay. Shall we say this one. So I want this to be a logo, to be my logo. Okay, so there you have it. Tip ko. So I'll just need to save this one. Okay, so there you have it. At my homepage, you're gonna see this one, Manila Online Shop. It's purple, it's color purple. And then again, you give your website ID, go to your settings and give your website ID to your customer after they install the app. So if gonna search this one, so they're gonna paste your website ID here Okay, so again, copy this one, give it to your clients, your customer, and they're gonna type in their website ID here, and then they're gonna search that one. They're gonna click this search, and then there you have it, Manila Online Shop. Or they could also type in they're gonna search by name. So shall we say Manila, or shall we say they're gonna type Manila. So search that one, and there you have it. So let's let's clear this out. Let's again close this app, and then let's open it again. So to make the search clean. Okay. So open the app, and then ask your customer to go to store, okay, and then search for Manila. Okay. So it's better that you're gonna give them your website ID instead of just typing Manila, because maybe there are other store that will show here that starts with Manila. Okay, Manila Sari-Sari store or Manila Mart, anything else. So as you can see here, if I type Manila, I can see now my Manila online shop here. So if I'm gonna click that one, it will load to the mobile app all of the products of Manila online shop here. So as you can see, it turned now to purple. So the customer, every time the customer will log in or will open their Cosmic Club Store account, it will open up the previous store that was being placed here. So as you can see, it is now no longer a Francis Online Store but Manila Online Shop, which is your website now. Okay, so that's how you're gonna use the mobile app, or how you can tell your customers to install the mobile app and plug in, or and then load your account or your store there in our Cosmic Club Store account. Let's talk about some of the problem with the current app may have for your customer. So because the customer, when they go, if they want to go to your website, they need first to log in our main website, which is Cosmic Club Store. So as you can see here, if the customer wanted to go to your website or to your online store, they're gonna need to download the app first, and the app name is Cosmic Club Store. Okay, not under your name. And if they open Cosmic Club Store app, the online store that is the default store that will be shown to them is my own or my main website, which is Francis Online Store. It's gonna have some trouble with your customer because they might be order in that website and not in your website. And because after they do this one, they're gonna need to go to store to find your store there. And there are a lot of stores that will be listed here. And they may accidentally find another store, your competitors here, and they may end up not ordering in your store because they're gonna need to search first their store here. So if they have your website ID, so they can put your website ID here, or they may also type or search your website here. So we say Manila, and or shall we say online, okay, online. If he or the customer will type online, okay, they may show more stores here than your website. So let's say that's online for what, but what if Manila? They're gonna type Manila because that was your instruction to type Manila, and they're going to see stores with the name containing Manila here. Okay, so they may end up landing in a website online store that is not your store. That's why the solution is for you to consider upgrading to a dedicated account. So go to Francis, or if you find a button down below, you will going to redirected to this website here or to this page here. So it's the details of the dedicated account, because here in the dedicated account, you will going to have your own mobile app. The mobile app here is no longer Cosmic Club Store. The name of the mobile is no longer Cosmic Club Store. There you have it. But the mobile app name here and the app name or the icon name that will be placed in here is no longer Cosmic Club Store, but rather your choosing your business name, or maybe your choosing name for your store. Right? So consider upgrading to dedicated club store or dedicated account. Link to this page here can be found in the button by clicking the button below this video, or maybe some link upward here. Okay, thank you and have a good day.